full coats because it's fucking windy. Welcome back to the vlog. Kara is here. Zara is here. So what we're doing today is packing prep. So this giant bag is all of my old clothes that I'm getting rid of that Kara is taking, including bras and comfy sweatshirts and a passport case. So she can't leave with that coat, unfortunately, because I'm bringing that to California. But we're taking this suitcase full of clothes in this bag. We're taking that to Goodwill, and then who knows what'll be next. We'll see. Hello. Hi. On the premise, we've cleaned out my mug cabinet and narrowed it down to the most essential mugs. That is my roommate's, but we got all of my teas that I want to bring and all of that. Got rid of all the old wine glasses. We just went through the spice cabinet and kept the essentials for this week. Went through my cabinet and got rid of just like all of the garbage. The rest is food for this week. Same thing with the freezer. That's my roommate's, but we have a lot of smoothies to make this week. And now the fridge. The scariest part. We know we're gonna throw away so much that Kara brought my chair out here, so. Okay, just went through the cleaning supplies cabinet. Cleaned all that up and left the essentials. We took out trash, but now the trash is almost full again. This is a Goodwill bin of just like mugs and bowls and things. So next up on the list is our storage closet, which has God knows what in it. Things to throw away, essentially. This is how we wrap mugs in the Michaela J household. In, oh, not that one. What's a good example? In Versace tissue paper. It do be like that. How beautiful. Hello, what a day it has been for me and for Zara. We basically have everything packed up. It's now almost 7 p.m. Kara went home, gonna have dinner soon, but we have been busy chugging away. Basically everything's packed. I did move one thing that I had showed you guys. I had all of this stuff was in these two bags and I put it all in this bucket just because it's just like, it's all my t-shirts and bras, underwear, workout clothes and stuff, but it's way better in a bucket. So nice to have big buckets of things rather than a bunch of little bags. So moved that. Everything is so empty. It's crazy, Zara. And then basically today we just went through every little nook of my apartment and cleaned the shit out of it. So like I showed you guys earlier, we went through all the spices, we went through my teas and coffees and mugs, and went through my pantry, my freezer, fridge, went through closets, like literally everything that could possibly have clutter, we went through it. And then we just hung out in my room for a bit and looked at different houses because I've been looking at one house that I felt, sorry, the camera is shaking so much. I'm just gonna like hold it like a noob. But I've been looking at one house that I liked, and it comes furnished and it's in a great neighborhood. It's actually just a couple streets away from the last house I applied for, but I'm finding that I'm not as excited about it as I was when I first found it. And for me, it's like I really need to be excited for something. So we were looking at a bunch of houses. We found a really good option, seeing if my agent will be able to negotiate the price, because this one's not furnished, so we'll have to buy the furniture. But I'm really excited about it. Like I feel excited again, which is really good. So I'm feeling a lot better about the move because everything's packed, everything is put away. My mom's gonna be here, so she'll be able to do a lot of cleaning when I'm working this week, and everything's just gonna go by really, really fast. So it's gonna be madness, but yeah. So that was the first part of my day. Now I think I'm gonna make pasta, so let's see.
I can't tonight. I have to go to this party. What, you don't even...
Hey, nice touch with the hot guy. Oh, thanks.
Hello, I'm all snug into bed. Ate some ice cream, watched some Gossip Girl, just chilled after a long day of packing. So I'm gonna go to bed and I will talk to you tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on Instagram. See you tomorrow.